History of all human livestock you didn't know. We all know and love our furry, feathery, and even scaly friends. They're our pets, our companions, and for many, our livelihoods. But have you ever wondered how these relationships came to be? How did wolves become dogs? Wild jungle fowl transform into chickens. Get ready to dive deep into the fascinating and surprising history of animal domestication. It's a story filled with unexpected twists, ancient mysteries, and the incredible bonds forged between humans and animals over millennia. We'll explore the earliest interactions, from the shared campfires of hunter-gatherers and wolves, to the cultivation of wild plants that led to the domestication of livestock. We'll uncover the genetic and behavioral changes that occurred as animals adapted to life alongside humans, and the pivotal roles they played in shaping civilizations. So buckle up for a journey through time, across continents, and into the very heart of the human-animal connection. You'll never look at your pet the same way again. ANCIENTBGINGS. The story begins with perhaps the most iconic of all domesticated animals, the dog. But their journey from apex predators to our loyal best friends wasn't a simple one. Wolf to woof. Evidence suggests that dogs may have started to self-domesticate as early as 40,000 years ago. Drawn to human campsites for scraps, the less aggressive wolves were tolerated and even found to be useful for hunting and protection. This early partnership likely laid the groundwork for a deep symbiotic relationship. Humans gained loyal companions and helpers, while dogs benefited from a reliable food source and protection. A genetic transformation. Over millennia, this relationship led to significant changes in the genetic makeup and behavior of dogs. They became smaller, more docile, and developed traits that were beneficial to humans, such as a heightened sense of smell and an aptitude for herding. These changes were not just physical, but also emotional. Dogs evolved to understand and respond to human emotions, laying the foundation for the deep bond we share with them today. The domestication debate. While the exact timeline and details of dog domestication are still debated, one thing is clear: the partnership between humans and dogs is one of the oldest and most enduring in history. It's a testament to the power of mutual benefit and the unique bond that can form between species. THERICOFAGRICULTURENDADIVRCBRM. As humans transitioned from hunter-gatherers to farmers, the need for more domesticated animals grew. The development of agriculture required animals that could provide sustenance, labor, and materials, leading to the domestication of various species. Sheep and goats. Among the earliest livestock animals to be domesticated, sheep and goats were integrated into human societies around 10,000 years ago in the Fertile Crescent of the Middle East. Their wool, meat, and milk offered essential resources for early farmers, contributing to the rise of civilizations. Sheep wool became a crucial material for clothing and textiles, while goat milk and meat provided essential nutrients. Cattle. The domestication of cattle, occurring a bit later around 8000 BC, marked a turning point in agricultural practices. Their strength and size made them indispensable for plowing fields, facilitating larger-scale farming. Additionally, cattle provided milk, meat, and hides, further diversifying the resources available to early societies. Their manure also enriched the soil, improving crop yields. Pigs. Known for their opportunistic scavenging behavior, pigs were naturally drawn to human settlements, where they found ample food scraps and waste. Their adaptability and rapid reproduction made them a valuable source of meat for early farmers. Moreover, pigs could be raised on a diverse diet, including agricultural byproducts, making them a sustainable and cost-effective livestock option. The domestication of these animals, along with others like chickens and horses, fundamentally transformed human societies, enabling the growth of complex civilizations and paving the way for modern agriculture. THEUNEXPCTDRIANTS CTS HRSES Nori. But the story doesn't stop with the usual barnyard suspects. The history of domestication is full of surprises, extending to animals that have played pivotal roles in shaping cultures and civilizations. Cats. While often associated with independence, cats were domesticated surprisingly early, with evidence suggesting their integration into human societies in ancient Egypt around 4,000 years ago. Drawn to grain stores that attracted rodents, their natural pest control skills made them indispensable to farmers and quickly elevated their status. Revered as symbols of grace and divinity, cats became integral to Egyptian culture and eventually spread across the globe, becoming cherished companions. Horses. Initially domesticated for their meat and milk around 4000 BC in the Eurasian steppes, horses' remarkable strength and speed soon revolutionized transportation and warfare. Their ability to carry riders and pull chariots transformed the way humans traveled and fought, leading to the rise and fall of empires. Horses also played a crucial role in agriculture, enabling farmers to cultivate larger fields and transport goods more efficiently. Camels. Adapted to harsh desert environments, camels were domesticated in the Arabian Peninsula around 3000 BC. Their unique physiology, including their ability to store water and tolerate extreme temperatures, made them invaluable for traversing vast deserts. Camels opened up trade routes across arid regions, connecting distant civilizations and facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures. Their endurance and carrying capacity revolutionized long-distance trade, leaving a lasting impact on global history. These examples showcase the diverse motivations and unexpected turns in the history of animal domestication. The relationships forged between humans and these animals went beyond mere utility, often evolving into deep cultural and emotional connections that continue to shape our world today. What makes an animal suitable for domestication? It turns out, certain traits make the process easier and more likely to succeed. Docility. Animals that are less prone to aggression and exhibit a calmer temperament are more likely to thrive in close quarters with humans. This docility makes them easier to handle, train, and manage, crucial factors for successful domestication. Animals that are easily frightened or prone to panic are less likely to adapt to living alongside humans. Flexibility. The ability to adapt to different diets and environments is a key factor in the domestication process. Animals that can thrive on a variety of food sources and tolerate different climates are more versatile and thus more appealing to domesticate. This adaptability allows them to be raised in diverse locations and conditions, expanding their potential uses for humans. Social structure. Animals with hierarchical social structures, where individuals naturally follow a leader, are often more receptive to human leadership. This inherent inclination towards following a hierarchy makes them easier to train and control, as they are accustomed to following a dominant figure. This trait is particularly important for animals used in labor or transportation, as it allows humans to guide their actions effectively. While these traits increase the likelihood of successful domestication, it's important to note that the process is complex and can take generations. It involves a gradual adaptation of both animals and humans to each other's presence and needs, ultimately resulting in a mutually beneficial relationship. The history of domestication is not without its complexities. While it has undoubtedly shaped human civilization and brought numerous benefits, it has also raised important ethical concerns. Ethical concerns. The domestication of animals has often led to their exploitation for human purposes, including food production, labor, and entertainment. The rise of factory farming, in particular, has been criticized for its detrimental impact on animal welfare, with concerns raised about cramped living conditions, restricted movement, and the use of antibiotics and growth hormones. Additionally, selective breeding for specific traits can sometimes lead to health problems in domesticated animals. The future of domestication. As our understanding of animal behavior, cognition, and genetics continues to grow, we are presented with opportunities to rethink and refine our approach to domestication. Striving for more ethical and sustainable practices is crucial to ensure the well-being of both animals and the environment. This includes promoting humane treatment, minimizing stress and suffering, and ensuring that domesticated animals can express their natural behaviors. CONCOUSION. The relationship between humans and animals is one of the oldest and most complex stories in our shared history. It's a story of mutual dependence, of evolution and adaptation, of challenges and triumphs.